Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your English class. Today we will begin with lesson number 8, and the name of the lesson is the adjective. Children, first of all, let's understand what is an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. I'll repeat again that an adjective is a describing word. It describes noun or a pronoun. It is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Let's take examples. First example, sincere student. So it tells something about the student, that he or she is a sincere student. So it adds more meaning to a noun or a pronoun. Second is comfortable sofa. So this word comfortable, it describes the noun sofa. Red rose. So it tells us about the color of a rose, that the rose is of red color. So red here describes the noun. Then several questions. It tells something about questions, that there are several questions in the examination. So several word is also an adjective. Then some food. It tells something about food. Some food. So some is also an adjective word and it describes noun. Now children, an adjective is normally, it is placed before the noun. You see here, student, sofa, rose, questions, food. So it is normally placed before the noun, but sometimes an adjective may be placed after the noun also. So you have to remember this, that it is placed before the noun, but sometimes an adjective may be placed before the noun also. Let's take example. The worker is honest. So let's take example where an adjective is placed after the noun also. The worker is honest. Now worker here is noun and it tells some honest word tells something about a worker. So but here it is placed after the noun. The question is difficult. Now difficult words tell something about the question. So question is noun here and it is placed after the noun also. Now we will talk about, children, kinds of adjectives. So we have 8 kinds of adjectives here. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, numeral adjectives, interrogative adjectives, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and possessive adjectives, and proper adjectives. So we have 8 kinds here: quality, quantity, numeral, interrogative, distributive, demonstrative, possessive, and proper. So let's understand kinds of adjectives with examples. The very first one is adjective of quality. Now children, an adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or thing. So adjective of quality are words that give us information about the qualities of a noun or a pronoun. Let's take example. She told a funny story. Now children, this also an adjective of quality also answers what kind of. It also answers what kind of. So it describes the quality of a person or a thing. She told a funny story. Now it tells about the quality of a story, that it was a funny story. Second example, the teacher asks a difficult question. Now it tells about something about the quality of a noun here. Noun is question. Now it answers the question what kind of questions? Difficult question. So these adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing, or it gives us information about the qualities of a noun or pronoun. Second kind is adjective of quantity. Now children, adjective of quantity, it specifies the quantity of a thing. It specifies the quantity of a thing and it answers the question how much. An adjective of quantity, it answers the question how much. So these are measuring words that tell us about the quantity of uncountable nouns, and adjectives of quantity also answer the questions how much. Let's take example. Mr. Ashok needs some water also. Now it tells that how much water is required. He needs some water. And it tells the quantity of water here. Water is noun. We had enough food for a month. Now enough word, it tells us about the quantity of food, the quantity of uncountable noun, and it also answers the question how much. So enough food, it tells something about the quantity of food. So enough word is adjective of quantity, and here some water, it is adjective of quantity. Children, third kind is proper adjectives. Now proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. They describe a thing by referring to the proper noun. So children, what is proper noun? Proper noun is a specific name of a person, place or a thing. So these proper adjectives, they are formed from proper nouns. And they describe a thing by referring to proper noun. Here we are talking about, let's take example, Chinese goods are not very durable. So it's a proper adjective here. We are referring to a proper noun here. They are formed from proper noun. Indian doctors enjoy a good reputation. So this is also a proper adjective, Indian doctors. Now children, you know that if we will talk about only a doctor, it's a common noun. But specifically we are talking here about Indian doctors. So it's a proper adjective. Now children, let's discuss about the fourth kind, that is numeral adjectives. So numeral adjectives, these are the adjectives that show how many number of persons or things are meant. How many number of persons or things are meant. So numeral adjectives, these are words that tells us about the quantity and order. Quantity like how many, and order in what order are of countable nouns. So numeral adjectives are words that tell us about the quantity and order of countable nouns. And if we will talk about quantity, then how many, and if we will talk about order, then in what order. Let's understand through examples. 5 passengers got into the bus. Now tell us about the number, that there are 5 passengers. That how many passengers? 5 passengers. So they tell us about the countable nouns. Then Anmol came first in the examination. Now this is ordinal number. This is, it gives, tells us about that in what order. So Anmol came first in the examination. So it tells about the order. Now let's discuss about the fifth kind, that is interrogative adjectives. Now these are the words that are used with a noun in a question such as whose, which, what. and it gives the answer to the question what, that begins with what, which, or whose. Like we have examples here. What question did the teacher ask? Now these are the words that are used with a noun. Question is a noun here. What question did the teacher ask? So they begin with what, whose, which, and it can be when also. So children, interrogative adjectives are the adjectives which, when used with a noun, they ask a question, and they are called interrogative adjectives. We have seen example also here. Whose painting has won the prize? Whose painting? Now it refers to painting and asking question about painting. Now let's talk about distributive adjective. Distributive adjective is an adjective that refers to each one of a number in that particular sentence or that particular question. An adjective which refers to each one of a number is called an distributive adjective. So children, distributive adjectives, it describes that persons or things named are taken separately. Okay, let's take example. Every child must be sent for a medical checkup. So here we are talking about all the children in the class, maybe all the children in the class, every child. So it describes that the person or the things named are taken separately. Neither candidate was found suitable. Means among all the candidates, no one was suitable. So we have used this distributive adjective neither. Neither candidate was found suitable. It describes the person named and are taken separately. Then we have demonstrative adjective. Now demonstrative adjective is an adjective that is used to point out a person or a thing we speak about. These are the words that identify the noun that follows them. You understand? An adjective used to point out a person or a thing we speak about. And in other words, these are the words that identify the noun that follows them. Let's take example. This road is under repair. Now we are talking about road, but we are demonstrating here. We are telling about the road. The word that the noun that follows this demonstrative adjective. We are talking about that road. Okay, this road is under repair. These mangoes are juicy. Now, a thing, it is used to point out a thing about which we are speaking. That thing we speak about. These mangoes are juicy. We're talking about here mangoes. So, this is demonstrative adjective. And children, demonstrative adjective also answer the question which. It also answers the question which. And the eighth kind is possessive adjective. Now we will talk about possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is an adjective that shows ownership or possession. It shows ownership or possession. These adjectives are used before a noun to indicate ownership. Let's understand two examples. We went to his house. The house is noun, and we are using word his here, adjective his here, to indicate the ownership. Your dress is beautiful. Whose dress? Your dress is beautiful. So it indicates ownership. So these possessive adjectives are the words that show possession. So these are the kinds of adjectives. Thank you.